Surendranath Banerjee. Sir Surendranath Banerjee was born on 10th November 1848 in Calcutta. He was also called as Rashtraguru and Indian Burke. Banerjee was born into a distinguished family of Brahmins. Surendranath Banerjee's father, Durga Charan Banerjee, was a medical practitioner. Surendranath studied at Hindu College and graduated from University of Calcutta. After graduating from the college, he applied in England for admission to Indian Civil Service, which at time had only one Hindu. He was the first Indian to qualify for the Indian Civil Service examination. Banerjee was rejected on the grounds that he had misinterpreted his age. However, in 1874, he was dismissed on a minor and apparently inadvertent procedural error. His effort at reinstatement failed, and as a dismissed civil servant, he was also refused admission to the bar. Banerjee felt that he has been discriminated because he was an Indian. During his second stay in England, he spent his time in serious reading of the classics, both in literature and history. This pursuit was useful in equipping him with the right sort of background required for a political orator. Soon after his return, Surendranath Banerjee was offered a professorship in English department of the Metropolitan Institute by Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. As a professor, he had to teach the classics of the English language, which included the speeches and writings of Burke and Lord Morley. He had an opportunity to live in constant association with the great masters of the English language, their vocabulary and their thoughts. He found in his profession the modest mean of livelihood and to awaken the public opinion in India. He founded the Indian National Association and was twice president of the Indian National Congress. He was elected as the Indian National Congress president in 1895 at Pune and 1902 at Ahmedabad. One of the earliest Indian political organization, and later became a senior leader of Indian National Congress. Indian Association favored local self-government and also acts as a staunch leader of Indian National Congress. The Indian Association was founded in Bengal in 1876 by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose. It soon displaced the Indian League and stood against the British Indian Association, which is regarded as reactionary body of landlords and industrialists. It advocated local self-government and tenant rights, and when the Bengal Tenancy Act was finally passed in 1885, it demanded representative government. He founded the Ripon College, which is now called the Surendranath College in Kolkata, in 1882. Banerjee supported the 1909 Minto-Morley reforms, which was opposed by Indian National Congress, as they felt that they were insufficient and meaningless. In 1879, he founded the newspaper The Bengali. The paper adapted a moderate policies of movements like the Swadeshi movement. His support to Minto-Morley reform in 1909 gave many people a chance to resent against him. He criticized Mahatma Gandhi's civil disobedience movement. Surendranath Banerjee was a man of honor and always supported what was right. Such decisions of him proved that he was not a man who follows the crowd. He opposed partition of Bengal by Lord Curzon in 1905. He was elected to the Legislative Council of Bengal in 1921. British knighted him with the title of Sir in the year 1921. While serving as a minister in the Bengal government, Banerjee made the Calcutta Municipal Corporation a more democratic body. Surendranath Banerjee had drawn his inspiration from reading the biographies of great men like Joseph Mazzini and their work in history and literature. Immense patriotism and command over English language made his speeches remarkable. Among Surendranath Banerjee's public speech, the most outstanding speech of Pune Congress Presidential Address. He discussed issues like constitution, employment of Indians in public service, separation of executive from the judiciary, poverty of India, etc. It is said that he gave 2 hours every afternoon for about 6 weeks in writing down the manuscript of the address and again revised, corrected and rewrote the same very night. Ultimately, the address turned out to be one of the biggest ever delivered speeches from the presidential chair of the Congress. The characteristics of his speeches were to revive India, generate a sense of feeling of unity among the Indian masses. He advocated constitutional method for the attainment of goal. His famous saying was, opposition where necessary, cooperation where possible. Banerjee is a pioneer leader of Indian politics. His book, A Nation in Making, gives account of his political concern and his view about self-government. Surendranath Banerjee died at Barakpur on 6th August 1925. If you found this video informative, please do like, share and comment and subscribe to Audaz Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.